So it's one of my favorite songs from Eric Clapton. He wrote it when his son died, and he made such a statement. It's like it's very hard to understand. Not hard, but would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. Would you hold my hand if I saw you in heaven? Would you help me stand if I saw you in heaven? I'll find my way through night and day, 'cause I know I just can't stay here in heaven, 'cause I know I just can't stay here in heaven. Wait, 4 bars. Time can bring you down, time can burn your knees. Time can break your heart, have you begging please, begging please. If I saw you in heaven, would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. 'Cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. 'Cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. Allah salam. Thank you very much. I'll join you again. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
We'll do one more. Big round of applause, Zubeen. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
यारो यही तो जिंदगी है नाते. This is not ready.
यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है.
Voice needs to be high.
It's about our love and friendship. It's about love. It's about our love and friendship.
Hello.
It's about love. It's about love and friendship. It's about love.
Check.
It's about love and friendship. It's about love.
जुदा बेकरार तेरा होना कोई तो होना जुदा
Come on, let me see the lights.
तेरी हर एक बुराई पे डांटे वो तो गम की हो धूप तो साया बने तेरा वो दोस्त नाचे भी वो मेरी खुशी में यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है कोई तो थोड़ा जुदा बेकरार तेरा होना कोई तो थोड़ा जुदा
Even वालों ऊपर आ जाओ.
कुछ पे फिदा मैं हूँ पलकों पे जो रखे तुझे मैं हूँ हंसते को हम सब मिलते हो अरे यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है कोई तो थोड़ा जुदा बेकरार तेरा होना कोई तो थोड़ा जुदा
Everybody sing along. Yeah, 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 yeah,
love
yeah,
and friendship. It's all about love. It's all about love and friendship. It's all about Thank you.
Krishna.
It's all about
Shubhadeep Sharma Ghosh.
Sing along for KK concert. Thank you for being there. Zubeen Garg,
Zubeen.
the Prince of Northeast. You see, we started it. We started it. So, don't give me this. But I'll keep it. Yeah. Gorimabu, thank you for coming. The first one is going to Kalaguru Artist Foundation, which is Zubeen's foundation, looking after the folk artists of India, especially Northeast India. This is to you, Zubeen Garg. Nobody has charged any money for this concert. Ye to banta hai.
Well, it's nothing. It's like I started a foundation called Kalaguru to help the artists and sportsmen also. Like the sportsmen, the sports people, I also regard them as artists. So I started this and thank you for this.
Thank you so much to all the crowd, everybody here who turned out in large numbers and made this evening possible.
It's like, it's fine. I don't want to waste the time. It's like, you know, the bar will close at 11. I need some whiskey now. That's it. Thank you very much. Love you. Always. Northeast is the biggest state in India. And we are from the Northeast. Thank you. Akalokpam.
Fans of Zubeen Garg, fans of KK, everybody here, just to make an announcement that the food court is open till 11:15, so you can still go ahead and grab a bite before you head home. So you can still do that. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been a great night. Clap for yourself. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a great night. Bye-bye. Thank you.